Welcome to my tutorial on how to add a white outline to your video using CapCut PC. I'll be demonstrating two different methods in this video. Let's get started by dragging your video into the timeline. Method 1. Go to the Video Basic Settings, scroll down, and check Canva. Click on Color and select White. Then, adjust the scale of the video. Or go to the video mask and choose the rectangle option. Position and resize the mask as needed. And there you have it. We've successfully added a white outline to the video. Method 2. Head to the stock materials and add a white background to the timeline as an overlay. Click Freeze and create a freeze clip. Adjust the duration to match the video length. Scale the freeze clip to cover the entire screen. Right-click to create a compound clip. Next, go to the video mask, select Rectangle, and click on Reverse. Resize the mask as necessary. You can also go to Adjustments, click on Curves, and adjust the color of the outline as desired. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.